Hey guys, welcome to my new house, or what remains of it. I recently acquired this property and plan on putting it back together. What I intend on doing is that once it becomes the actual home is still undetermined. Despite the gaping holes in the walls, it's not that bad. And if you didn't notice, the back door is completely off its hinges. And with this being my first walkthrough, I don't know what could be lurking behind these doors. With today being day one of this project and already late towards the evening, I plan on just changing out the doorknobs and the deadbolts in the front. Then I plan on reattaching the back door on the house and changing those doorknobs as well. It has not been a good day for me. I literally had technical difficulties with my GoPro on day one. I narrowed it down to either the batteries or the SD card. I don't think there was any long-term damages done to the GoPro, but in short term, I lost footage of the entire installation to the front door knobs and also lost footage of putting the rear door back on its frame. Hopefully I have better luck tomorrow. Day two coming to this house. Missed it on video, but caught a couple homeless people in here. Game plan today is to clean all this stuff up as best as humanly possible without the use of electric. This is actually stuff I brought with me. Bought it a couple days ago. trying to record day one, but my camera's being wonky. I don't know if it was the SD card or the camera itself, but hoping I get a lot more footage this time around. Can't see here, but there's a lot of insulation in here. That's practically what I did on day one. Was I cleaned up this whole front section right here. There's a big gaping hole right up there, and that's just, I know that's weather, debris, or whatever the case may be, but all the insulation got wet, tore off the sheetrock, all fell down. It was actually all the way across this floor right here. But like I said, using a broom and dustpan to clean up the majority of what I can. There is no electric here. Didn't want to really bring a generator out at this moment. Just want to do as much I can as humanly possible. And so yes, what you saw me sweeping is exactly as I portray it. As far as I know, this house has been abandoned since 2020 with clear signs of forced entry, leading to the clear evidence that there has been squatters and animals coming in and out of the property for the last 5 years. As for cleaning the rest of this living room, it's pretty much all the same. So let's speed things up. So you look at this sink, and you can imagine what the size of the sink is. Just imagine the amount of trash. And that's just from the homeless. Jeez. So here's the progress I made on day 1 and day 2. There's definitely more to come. If you're interested in following along, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for updates on the rest of the journey and the challenges I'll be facing along the way.